Meaning of evenly.
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 Evenly. The term evenly refers to something being distributed in a uniform or equal manner. When things are evenly distributed, each part or component has an equal share or proportion. For example, if you divide a pizza evenly between 4 people, each person gets an equal amount. Similarly, if you have a jar of marbles and distribute them evenly between 2 children, each child will receive the same number of marbles. In essence, evenly is used to describe a situation where things are divided fairly or equitably among all parties involved.